right, we have a longer type workout for you today. In this workout, we're going to start off with calories on the rower. It will be the same number of calories throughout the workout. You start with, as RX, 75 for the men and 60 for the women. If we need to, we can cut that down to 60-45 or even 45-30. This should take you roughly around 3 to 4 minutes to finish, but no more than 5.5 minutes. All right. So if that is taking you quite a long time to get through, I really want you to scale it down slightly. But if you're not sure, you might as well give it a try in the first round. And if you need to scale it further in the remaining rounds of row, you can absolutely do that. As soon as you finish that first set of rowing, you're going to go ahead and get off. You're going to go and complete 21 push jerks. The barbell will be taken from the ground, and the push jerks in this set is going to be 115 for the men, 80 for the women. This should be completed with whatever weight you choose in no more than 3 to 4 sets. So we want to make sure that we have an appropriate load here, because this is going to be the highest number of repetitions and the lowest weight that will be put on the bar. Now, if we're going to be scaling down on the weights today, we can go ahead and look in those athletes' notes. We can go ahead and subtract 10 pounds to the RX weight, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, or 40 pounds to the RX weight requirements. And we can go ahead and also work with somebody else, like a coach, to go ahead and decide those weights. The weights will increase. So whether you decide to start with an empty bar and go up from there with 2.5s, you can do that. But remember, I want the barbell to increase every set of push jerks. As soon as you finish that 21 set, we go back on the rower to complete the same amount of calories. Then we go ahead and get off. We have 15 push jerks here. The weight is going to be slightly higher, 135 for the men, 95 for the women. We're going to finish those 15 push jerks and head right back to the rower. We're going to complete those calories again. And then finally, we're going to finish off with 9 push jerks. And that's going to be 165 for the men and 115 for the women. This is going to be the heaviest load, and it does and should be completed in no more than 3 sets. But if you have to, because you're going a little bit more daring, if you will, go ahead and make it singles if you absolutely have to. But just remember, every single time you drop the bar, you're going to have to clean it back up, and it becomes more of an effort. So on these 9 push jerks, really try to hold on for as long as possible, maybe even trying to get 3 each time so that you don't have to clean up the bar 9 full times. This workout, like I said, is going to be on the longer side. We're going to allot 25 minutes to get it done. Hopefully you won't need that, but if you do get capped, we'll go ahead and give you credit for every calorie and every push jerk that you earned. Have fun with this workout and be patient on the row and aggressive on the jerks.